Studentin. Today I'm going to talk to you about the perfect tense. We've been looking at the perfect tense and using the verb haben as an auxiliary verb. So today I want to show you how to make the perfect tense using the verb sein. So use the verb sein as an auxiliary verb, or as the helping verb, right? The second verb that gets conjugated in the sentence. And then, so the second verb that gets conjugated in the sentence will be sein, and that you use with verbs of movement. So any verb that expresses movement, for example, gehen. So then you would say, for gestern, right, to build the past tense, ich bin gegangen. Ist gegangen. So you see, use the sein verb as the auxiliary. That's the second verb that gets conjugated. And then it still falls in that ge, in the en form that you have all along. Ge-en. So ich bin gegangen. Granted, there's a vowel change. Ich bin gefahren. Ich bin gelaufen und ich bin gereist. Weak verb. But ist gelaufen, wir sind gelaufen, wir sind gereist. Okay? So verbs of movement take the sein verb in the auxiliary rather than haben. And the other instance in which you would use sein as the helping verb for the past tense is when the verb changes state of being. So these are intransitive verbs, but you don't need to know that. Just, but the change of state of being. For example, falling asleep, waking up, growing, dying. So ich bin eingeschlafen, I fell asleep. Ist eingeschlafen. Ist aufgewacht. So he woke up, right? So you're changing a state of being. All of these verbs are only like 4%. So if you were ever to guess, then you would always use haben as auxiliary verb. So this only makes up like even 3% probably of the verbs, not very many. And then the exception to the rule is bleiben here, which means to stay. So no movement whatsoever. Ich bin geblieben. I stayed. Ich bin geblieben. Ist geblieben. And you can just remember that because it's such a contradiction to the rule that verbs of movement take sein, and then to stay take sein. So that's how you'll just remember that exception. All right, so for these few verbs, you will use sein when you create the perfect tense and not haben. So, danke.